Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to stop spam emails on iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Mail app on your iPhone. Find an email from a sender that keeps spamming you. Then open that mail. Tap on the sender's name at the top of the email. Then tap on it again when the contact details open. You'll see an option that says Block this contact. Tap on it. Confirm by tapping Block this contact again and then hit Done. Now, that sender is blocked, but their emails might still appear in your inbox. To automatically move their emails to the bin, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down to the bottom, then click on Apps, and then tap on Mail. Then scroll down again and tap on Block Sender Options. Select Move to Bin. Now, every time you receive an email from a block sender, it will be sent directly to the bin, so you don't have to delete it manually. And that's how you stop spam emails on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment below to let me know if it worked for you. Also, consider subscribing to the channel for more helpful how-to videos. Thanks for watching.